Kuigana na mutafariri wa mihango bodi-ini ino ya maai niwe Samuel Oruma, kigina giki ni gikuhota gukorwo gikienjithia ithima cia maai 25 mubango-ini uyu.
This is to develop water sources to supply the water to the industrial park that is expected to be developed within the constituency. So we are going to do over 25 boreholes. We are researching on them and developing other sources.
Oruma arauga ati kuona ati matura maingi mwena uyu matirutaga maai matheru maramba gwika uthuthuria na kwahotekeka marute maai nginyagia kaunti-ini iria irigicĩirie.
We are researching within the best well fields whereby we are going to tap this water. You know, within the area is a volcanic area, and the neighboring area has got the groundwater potential is somehow poor. And being a volcanic area, you find sometimes you do a borehole and you get hot water. But near Maimahiu, Kijabe area, we are researching that bed.
Mwena-ini wake mũmbunge wa gĩcigo gĩkĩ kĩa Naivasha niwe Keheri-ini augĩte ona gũtuĩka wĩra wa maĩ nĩ wĩigĩrĩrĩki wa thirikari ya kaunti nĩ mararutithania wĩra na anyiti itemi othe gũtigĩrĩra atĩ Naivasha nĩ yahũna maĩ.
Industrial park inakuja hapa, watu wameingia Naivasha, kwa hivyo serikali iko na haja sana na Naivasha, na ndio umeona wametuma afisa wa maji hapa kuja kuangalia na angalau tupate maji ya kunywa, kwa sababu shida ni nyingi sana hapa Naivasha. That is why tunaenda hiyo Kinangop, imesemekana maji inatoka pande hiyo, na pia engineer ametuambia Naivasha being fresh water lake, pia watafanya utafiti waone kama hiyo maji tunaweza tumia pia.
Kigina giki kiheanĩtwo nĩ ministry ya maĩ thirikari-ini nene na gĩkagererio thĩinĩ wa bodi ya maĩ ya Rift Valley Water Services. Report ya Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Joseph Wachira.